Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
You see them in your sights?
Yes, I see them. They are in their vehicle, traveling at a rate of 54 miles per hour.
Excellent. I'm going to accelerate that speed.
It's so nice to finally have a night away from the kids. Right, Bob? That's right, Helen. Hey, wait a minute. Something's wrong with the Incredible. My acceleration has gone up. Lower the thrusters then. It's not that. The thrusters aren't going. For some reason, my odometer is reading that I'm going at 90 miles per hour. Wow, I don't even feel it. This car rides like a dream. No, that's not it, Helen. We're just going too fast and I can't control it. Whoa, it is going too fast. We gotta slow it down. Hold on, I'm gonna stop it. Oh my gosh, Helen, your hand. It's okay. It'll heal. Are you okay? We should get out and check the Incredible. You're right. Let's go. Helen, release the hood. Everything looks good here. Projectiles. This one needs to be pushed in a bit. It seems okay though. What could have caused it? Some kind of interference. I know what it is, Bob. Look.
Oh, I guess they saw us. Perfect shot.
Yes. Would you like me to put up a Voyd?
Not yet. This'll be fun.
Bob, he's got that missile headed right for us.
That's right.
Not on my watch. Helen, you know what to do. Turn this car around. I'm gonna take the speedboat over to him. You start shooting at him and I'm gonna go in the boat. Try to swing on over whenever you run out of projectiles. All right, Bob. Good luck. Love you. I love you. I'll see you soon. I love that guy. I couldn't get him. Bob, I'm coming on over. Excellent, Helen. Be careful.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I gotta get in. Oh no, they're moving the boat. No!
I love modern technology.
Oh no! Oh gosh, I shouldn't have had that burrito for lunch. Oh! I have to call the kids. Oh, no answer. What are these kids doing? Violet, Dash, anybody. Edna, are you there? Even baby Jack. Screenslaver has Dad. They're on the hydroliner. I'm going to get them. Please meet us over by the port. Bring as many of people as you can. I think they even have Voyd.
Enjoying your ride, Mr. Incredible.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Thanks for taking me out of that. Why aren't you attacking me? Where are my goggles?
I don't want you. I want your wife.
Well, she's not coming. I'm here.
Ha! You fell right into my trap. Come, Voyd. You know the one thing I'm gonna destroy, and that's that laptop right now. In the ocean. Now no one can be under that hypnosis anymore. Take off the mask, Screenslaver.
You think it's that easy? I have a tablet now.
A tablet?
You don't have an iPad?
Yes, a tablet. Why? I don't know. iOS is just way better than Android. That's just my opinion.
Well, leave your opinions to yourself. Here's my tablet.
Right there. And I could still hypnotize everybody. Especially Voyd. Yes. You know what, Screenslaver? You seem to like to take everybody around on this hydroliner and see the world. How about we see the world in a different way? How? Well, you love to play games. You're always challenging us. I have a game for you that you could play with your tablet. Oh, really? What is it? I love games. Well, first we need to make a pact. If we win, we get to take Voyd back and you have to leave and go out of here, out of this port, out of this town, and leave us alone. I'll try to promise you that. But what game is it? Oh, I see where you're going with this, Helen. Yes, Mr. Incredible, let me handle this. It's a new game powered by Alexa called When in Rome. All right, what do I have to do first? First, you can use your Alexa app, and I have the game right here. I always keep it on me. Alexa, open When in Rome.
Voice Originals. Welcome back to When in Rome. This week we're in Montreal with Adrienne. Let's go.
Montreal's name in the Ojibwe language is Munyang. What do you suppose that means? A. The first stopping place. B. Where the rivers part. C. Disneyland. D. Where the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie.
That's easy, it's B. Oh.
Dommage, that's too bad. That is not the right answer. Munyang means the first stopping place, which was also the first answer, and it is part of the Ojibwe prophecy of the 7 fires. Montreal's name in Mohawk, another First Nation language, refers to a place where nations and rivers unite and divide.
Now that we played the practice question, let's set up the real game. Yeah, it's really a lot of fun. Okay, let's get started. What a beautiful game board. So colorful. Well, I'm glad you appreciated Screenslaver. See, Mr. Incredible, he does enjoy the finer things in life. Yes, especially an Alexa-powered game. This is great for family game nights, even just challenging a villain. Yes, I think we should get started. Can we start from wherever we want? No, Alexa is going to do that for you. And you know what's so cool? Right out of the box, you don't even need to read the instructions. Alexa's going to walk us right through. And you don't need like an Amazon Echo or Dot or even an Apple Home. All you have to do is just download the Alexa app. And there's a special code in the back. Alexa's going to ask for it, and she's going to be able to unlock the game.
You have When in Rome enabled. Do you want to open it? Welcome back to When in Rome, the game where you teleport across the world in the blink of an eye.
Alexa, start a new game.
Hi, I'm Alexa, and this is When in Rome, the game where I take you traveling, and you answer tricky questions. First, I need you to get yourselves into 2 teams, red team and blue team.
Voyd, come over here. We're ready, Alexa.
Now let's choose who to go first. Here's a question. Which team would be most likely to get cast as extras in a Bollywood movie in Mumbai? Talk amongst yourselves, then say Alexa, it's the, and the color of the team. If you decide before the music finishes, feel free to interrupt.
The blue team, Alexa.
Blue team? Okay, let's see what our Mumbai local has to say.
You have what it takes to become a star in Bollywood. Let me take a good look at you. Stand up straight for me. No, I mean really straight, no hunching. Now give me your best smile. Now throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Okay, sorry, you have no chance at all, but nice try.
Anything else you want to add?
Come to Mumbai. If you like sweating and being stuck in traffic, there's...
When you've chosen a city you want to start in, just say Alexa, fly to San Francisco, or whichever city you want to go to.
Alexa, fly to New York.
Lacey has a question about sports and games for you to answer. It's an easy one, so it's worth 3 points. Lacey, take it away with a question from New York.
There's plenty of sports teams in New York, and some of them have some pretty wild names. Which of these is an actual New York soccer team, and not just one I've made up? Is it A, the New York Mountain Dews, B, the New York Diet Carbonated Beverages, C, the New York Minute Maids, or D, the New York Red Bulls?
Blue team, take a moment to decide on your answer. Then say Alexa, the answer is A, B, C, or D.
That's easy. Alexa, the New York Red Bulls, D.
Absolutely correct.
Haha, I did it.
New York Red Bulls.
Alexa, we'll start in London.
Be sure to place your plane in London now that we've arrived. Our local Manisha.
Alright, me old mucker, welcome to London.
What is it, Voyd? We're trying to answer a question. She's gonna keep malfunctioning. If you want to play this game, you also threw my laptop in the ocean. Voyd. Whoops! Sorry, Mom and Dad. Oh, who did that? Dad, we're here. We got Mom's message. We'll help you up. Hurry, get him up. Quick thinking, kids. Who did you come with? It is I, Edna. Mom, Dad, let's help up Voyd. The goggles are off. Ha, gotta get my goggles. Not so fast. No! Let's help her up. Baby Jack Jack, you know what to do. Wow, he got him. Let's get Voyd. Wow, thanks so much for saving me, guys. No problem, Voyd. I had to do some quick thinking. I just so happen to have this game with us because we just went shopping for our game night. Good thing you did. When in Rome is so much fun. What are we going to do with Screenslaver now? Oh, I think I have an idea. No! Stop shaking me. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. This is just terrible. Why can't I just take this ship and just go somewhere on vacation? Why do I keep coming back? Well, our work here is done. Now we just gotta take Screenslaver into custody. Hey, what are we gonna do with those goggles? Hey, I think we know what to do with them. Let's just have some fun, shall we? Works for me. Here you go, darling. I never thought I'd dress a villain before. Hey, Mom, we just found Screenslaver's laptop. Oh, good. Now we could really have some fun. Go ahead, Jack. Do what you do best. Smash those keys. Oh, Mom, look. He's telling him to bark like a chicken. This is great. What else can we tell Screenslaver to do? Hey, Screenslaver, help him type it in, Dash. Screenslaver, make fart noises. This is degrading. I love it. So funny. Alright, let's take him into custody. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to know more about When in Rome, stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more funny game videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring that notification bell. Every time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. When in Rome is by the company called Voice Originals. This is an Alexa-powered game. So all you need to do is just download the Alexa app on any of your devices. You do need to download the app, and it requires the free When in Rome skill for Amazon Alexa to play. It's for 2 to 8 players. It's 30 plus minutes of playtime for ages 13 and up, and it includes 40 pieces. Hidden around the world are souvenirs. In order to play, all you need to do is just tell Alexa some useful commands, like Alexa, start a new game. With each game question, you're going to meet locals. They're going to ask you fun questions that you have to answer in a simple A, B, C, D format. And with every gameplay, each question is different. So you're never going to hear the same question twice. Also, you don't even need to read the instructions to start playing. Alexa is going to explain everything. She's going to walk you through it. If you are a lover of travel, or if you know all your trivia, When in Rome is a fun game. Definitely worth it for when the holidays come and you have a big group of people. It's a lot of fun. They ask a lot of cool questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an incredible day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.